Hello kids, a very good morning. Welcome to St. Thomas Babyland School. Myself, Mrs. Asmita, and today our subject is English written. Today we will learn two topics. First topic is identify the pictures and write the words with the given vowels. And second topic is circle the odd one out. In our English Creepers term 2, page number 16 and 17. Today we will learn two topics. Okay? Now all of you open your book Creepers, page number 16. Okay children? Now let's start. So children, in our English written subject, today our topic is identify the pictures and write the words with the given vowels. Page number 16. Here we have 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U. Each vowel we have 3 pictures. So we have to identify the pictures and after we have to write the words. Okay. So first vowel is A. So first picture is fan. So write here fan. F-A-N. Okay. Now what is this? Hat. So write here H-A-T, hat. And this is cap. C-A-P, cap. Okay. Now next vowel is E. What is this? This is an egg. So write here E-double-G, egg. And this pen. P-E-N, pen. And this is net. N-E-T, net. Okay. Now next vowel is I. What is this? Pin. P-I-N, pin. And this is kid. K-I-D, kid. Now next vowel is O. What is this? This is mob. So write here M-O-P, mop. This is hop. H-O-P, hop. And cop. C-O-P, cop. Okay. Now next vowel is U. What is this? Run. This boy is running. So write here run. And sun. S-U-N, sun. And next is B-U-N, bun. Okay. So children, this is page number 16. We complete. Now page number 17. We will write in page number 17. Okay. In this page, assessment. Our second topic is circle the odd one out. Here we have so many words. So we have to odd one out in this 4 words. Okay. So first word is H-A-T, hat. B-A-T, bat. C-O-T, cot. R-A-T, rat. So which word is odd one? Hat, bat, cot, rat. These 3 words is same sounding words. 1, 2 and 3. These 3 words are same sounding words. And this odd one out. So this one is already complete. Now next, in these 4 words, we have to circle the odd one. K-I-D, kid. R-E-D, red. L-I-D, lead. D-I-D, did. So in which word we have to circle? Kid, rad, lead or did? This word, right? This word is odd word. So now next is H-E-N, hen. M-E-N, man. P-I-N, pin. P-E-N, pen. Hen, man, pin, pen. Which word is odd one? This one. So circle here. Okay. Now B-U-G, bug. R-U-G, rug. J-U-G, jug and L-O-G, log. So we have to circle this one. This is odd one, right? No. This one, L-O-G, log. Now read one time. Bug, rug, jug, and log. Correct? Now next is T-A-P, tap, C-A-P, cap, M-A-P, map, M-O-P, mop. Tap, cap, map, mop. Tap, cap, map, and mop. So circle here. This is odd one word. So bin, B-I-N, bin, B-U-N, bun, P-I-N, pin, W-I-N, win. Which word is odd one? Bin, bun, pin, win. This one. So circle here. Okay. Now C-O-P, cop, M-O-P, mop, T-O-P, top, and T-A-P, tap. So this word is odd one. Okay. Now B-U-N, bun, R-U-N, run, F-U-N, fund, and F-A-N, fan. So here this word is odd one. B-O-X, box, F-O-X, fox, F-U-N, fun, and O-X, ox. So we have to circle in which word? This one, right? Box, fox, ox. Okay. Now last is P-O-T, pot, P-U-T, put, H-O-T, hot, and N-O-T, not. So in this four word, which word is odd one? This one. So circle here. Okay. Now this page number 17 also complete. So this two pages, page number 16 and 17. You have to write at your home in your book Creepers Term 2. Okay children. Bye bye. Have a great day.